Like and subscribe right now for amazing luck for the next week. Make sure to watch today's full video to see an optical illusion that only kids can hear. And not just that, but comment your answers down below in the comment section as we go along. Take a look at this photo here of these three ladies. Does it look like anything is wrong with this photo? Alright, so it doesn't really look like anything is wrong with the photo, right? Well, if you turn this photo upside down, we will actually notice that there's a big mistake here. The lady's eyes are actually upside down. This is a really cool mind trick that tricks our eyes into thinking there is something wrong with the photo even though there is. This next photo here will really test your eyesight. So there's some animals in this photo, but are you able to spot the bee? This one is super hard and only those with really good eyesight are able to spot it. Take some time to try to find it, then I'll reveal to you where it is. Alright, so the bee is actually right here. Let me know in the comments if you were able to find it. If you did spot it, this means that you have really good eyes. So right now we have a whole bunch of Christmas gift bags on your screen, but there's actually one Christmas card hidden somewhere here. Try to see if you can find it. Only those with the best eyesight will find the Christmas card. Alright, the Christmas card was actually right here. Did you spot this or was it too hard? So in this next clip, we got a trick that will read your mind. Think of an animal that starts with the letter Z. Alright, so were you thinking of a zebra? Let me know if I just read your mind. Can you find the word difficult in a short amount of time? Alright, the word difficult was right here. Did you find the word or did you need more time? Answer these questions out loud as quick as you can. What is 1 plus 1? What is 2 plus 2? What is 4 plus 4? What is 8 plus 8? Alright now, name a vegetable, comment what vegetable you were thinking of as well. Did you just say a carrot? Let me know if I just read your mind and guess what vegetable you were thinking of. So next, I want you to answer some questions out loud for me. Then I will read your mind. Alright, let's do it. What day is Christmas? What number is between 1 and 3? What are hamburgers made of? What side of the road do people drive on in Europe? Alright now, think of a color and tool. Comment what color and tool you were thinking of as well. So in this next clip, I'm going to play an audio illusion for you. The sound is going to play. After you hear it, I want you to let me know in the comments, what word do you hear? Do you hear the word girls or do you hear the word gross? This one is definitely pretty hard.
Girls. 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 Girls.
So in this next clip, we have a picture with several colors. Now what I want you to do is choose the brightest color. It can either be yellow, red, blue, or green. I'll give you 10 seconds to solve this, then I'll tell you the answer. The answer is actually yellow because if you look closely, you can see that this color is the brightest, followed by red. Let me know what you thought about this one down in the comments below. So in this next clip, we got this picture here. Can you find the mistake? Comment what you think the mistake is as well. Alright, so the mistake in this picture is actually that the word the is repeated. So the question actually says, can you find the mistake? This is a really cool mind trick that tricks your brain into skipping over the repeated word. Next, I've got a riddle for you. What begins with T, finishes with T, and has T in it? Comment your answer to this question as well. Alright, so the answer to this question is a teapot. This is because it starts with the letter T and ends with the letter T, and you fill it up with tea that you drink. Did you get this right, or was it too hard? Let me know in the comments. Take a look at these balls here. Let me know in the comment which ball is bigger, the ball at the front or the ball at the back. I'll then reveal the answer to you to see if you got it right. Alright, so the truth is that both balls are the exact same size. They just look different because of the position they're in. So in this next clip, take a look at this picture here. Did this picture predict the exact order you were going to read all the sentences? Let me know in the comment. Alright, so in this next clip, take a look at this pattern here. It looks like a regular pattern, right? Well, if you actually blink really fast over and over again, you can actually see the pattern keep changing. This one is really cool. Keep blinking really fast and watch how the pattern changes. So right now, the word hello is on your screen, but if you squint your eyes, it will actually reveal a second hidden word in the photo. Comment what the second word is if you see it. Alright, so if you squinted your eyes, it should have revealed the word there. So together, this reads, hello there. Take a look at this bike here at the top. It looks like the wheel of the bike is bent and broken, but then if we look at the reflection from the puddle, it looks like both bikes are completely fine. Really look at this photo carefully, then let me know in the comments if you think the bike is actually broken or fixed. So in this next clip, I've actually got something pretty cool. You will need headphones for this as well, so I'm basically gonna play something for you called 8D audio. If you have headphones on, this audio will actually sound super realistic. I'm gonna play some audio of some rain. I want you to sit back and relax and close your eyes. While this sound plays, it will literally sound like it's raining all around you. Let's take a listen. Say these words out loud with me. Los, coast, roast, ghost, host, wost, post, quost, nost, boast. Alright now, what do you put in a toaster? Did you just say toast? Because if you did, that's wrong. Because we don't put toast in a toaster. We actually put bread inside of a toaster. Did I just trick you into saying toast, or did you say bread? Be honest and let me know in the comments. Today, I'll try to guess your mental age through a short and simple color test. Mental age is the age that you tend to behave like. It might be more or less than your real age. So in the first clip, we have 4 colors. Be sure to choose one of them. Also, comment your answer to each question as we go through them. I'm interested to know what you guys have to say. I'll give you a couple seconds to solve the first question, and then I'll tell you the answer. So most people would have chose blue because blue is described as a favorite color by many people. Blue also tricks our mind into feeling calm. If you said yellow or green, those are also very popular colors. So give yourself a pat on the back. Next, we've got another audio illusion. You will need headphones for this one. So if you don't have any headphones right now, I want you to close the video and get some headphones. Trust me, it's worth it. Alright, now that you got your headphones, let's take a look. Did you just think that someone was knocking at your door? This is an audio trick that actually tricks your ear into thinking someone is actually knocking on your door in real life. Pretty cool, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you a weird sound that only kids, yes, only kids and no adults can hear correctly. Yup, it was tested before and it works most of the times. That's because it depends on your ears. Kids tend to hear better than adults. Are you ready to see if you have nice ears or if you are really a kid? Well, in 3, 2, 1. So could you hear that?